Hello, my name is Renzo, and this application is for assignment 2 for the Android programming 1. Well, unfortunately, I wasn't able to run it. This is the manifesto. This is the name, Guessing Game. One of the things I add was the icon. This is a main activity which most of the Java code I copied for the flag game. Just change some of variables. This is the quiz fragment. We have all the constants and the variables, and this is most of the code is here. We have two more activities. The settings activity, this is gonna hold the settings, and then this activity, this is gonna hold the fragment, the quiz fragment. Also, I create assets, the pictures about animals. So there you go. It's a form in resource. So I create these layouts. These ones I made it from scratch, following up the PowerPoint, but it took me a while. But I learned a lot. Just I was pretty exciting about it. This is arrays, and the values, the colors, the dimensions, the strings. But somehow, so I'm trying running to this in my Android. Somehow is falling, so it's failing. I have like 3 errors in the building. So it's something in the resource folder that I haven't able to see it, or to correct it. So I ran out of time, so that's why I couldn't correct this. So unfortunately I haven't complete assignment, but I learned a lot. I'm really excited about how to create these resource folders. So and I need to practice more to link the XML folders to the Java code. That's I guess is the issue. Okay, thank you. See you soon.